Greetings, fans of Cactus Jim. This is a Cactus Jim small bedroom concert featuring, you can sure as hell guess, can't you? And I'm going to cover the song by the Allman Brothers, Ramblin' Man. Lord, I was born a rambling man, trying to make a living and doing almost the best that I can. And when it's time to leaving, well, I hope you'll understand. When the good Lord made me, He made a rambling man. My daddy was a gambler down in Georgia. He wound up on the wrong side of a gun. And you know, I was born on the back seat of a Greyhound bus, rolling down Highway 61. Lord, I was born a rambling man, trying to make a living and doing almost the best I can. When it's time to leave, and baby, I hope you'll understand. I don't want to leave you, baby, but I'm just one fucking rambling old man. Headed down to New Orleans this morning, leaving out of Nashville, Tennessee. Always having a hell of a time on a bayou, Lord, 'cause those Delta women, they're all over me. And yes, I'm one fucking rambling man. I never did really try to make a living. I avoided it as the best I could. Don't you know? But when it's time to leave him, I'm sure as hell you understand. 'Cause in my blood, and I'm 74 years old, but I'm still one motherfucking rambling man. Thanks for watching. Remember, Cactus Jim isn't just teaching you how to sing and play guitar. From him, you're going to learn how to live your fucking life.